Kitchen 101. Weekly lunch meal prep is the thing to do. It can save you a ton of time and money. On planning day, decide what to make. Search Kroger.com for salads, noodle bowls, or soup recipes that appeal to your taste buds. Next, make a grocery list. Don't forget to include the quantities of each item. You don't want to run out of a specific food item halfway through. If you are newer to meal prep, you might need to pick up some containers too. Look for items such as mason jars, glass containers, and divided bento boxes. Those can do the trick. On shopping day, simply follow your list. You will be in and out in no time at all. Oh, and a quick tip: when unpacking groceries, place any frozen meats in the fridge to thaw overnight. On prep day, get in the kitchen to chop, cook, and portion out your recipe. Cool everything completely before dividing into single-serve containers. To keep food fresh all week long, keep sauces on the side until serving. Store your meals in the refrigerator and grab them each morning on your way out the door. See you next time.